Looking for the best auto-follow drones? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 auto-follow drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Potensic T25. Pros: provides flight-friendly features such as one-key takeoff and landings, making it easier to fly for beginners. Drone uses GPS and GLONASS position for better location coverage and accuracy. Cons: the 1080p rotating camera needs an individual SD card to store images and videos. Bottom line: a good auto-navigating drone for beginning drone pilots and aerial cinematographers. At number 2. Holystone HS100. Pros: comes with a high-quality 720p HD camera on a rotating track for cinematic shots. GPS guidance allows the drone to return to a designated area automatically. Cons: 4 rotating blades lack any kind of guard to prevent damage from surrounding obstacles. Bottom line: the best budget option for a fully featured drone capable of accurate follow-me tracking. At number 1. DJI Mavic Air. Pros: comes with a number of advanced automated features such as follow-me, route following, and return-to-home capabilities. Folds up to fit in bags and backpacks. Cons: flyby phone capabilities can be slow, delayed, or limited with a poor connection. Bottom line: this drone has an accurate follow-me function and easy-to-learn flight dynamics. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.